how to install Bluestacks to your PC. If you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel yet, subscribe it. Also click the bell button so that you can receive the notification from my channel when I upload new videos. Let's get into the video. Open Google Chrome, type Bluestacks. Open this link. The link is in the description. There's a green rectangular piece of green color box. Click it, download Bluestacks. Open it. Yes. Click install now. It will take some time. In Bluestacks, you can download various games such as, for example, PUBG Mobile, FREEFIRE, etc. If you use this app, you can play any games in PC. It is like Play Store in mobile. In PC, it is Bluestacks. Please off your antivirus while installing this. Yeah, it's installed. As you can see, it's on my desktop. Click it. Keep performance. This is Discover apps. Search any game like PUBG and then click enter. It has come. Press the sign in button and sign in your account, and then again click the install button on which you want to install the game. That's it. Your game will be installed in your PC. Thank you so much, friends.